Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance tax report. Understanding your crypto tax obligations is crucial, and Binance offers several ways to help you prepare. We'll cover using Binance's built-in tax tool, exporting your transaction history for manual review, and integrating with popular third-party tax software. This guide will simplify the process, ensuring you have all the necessary information for tax season. First, let's look at Binance's dedicated tax report tool. Log into your account and navigate to the Orders section, then find Tax Report. Here, you can specify the tax year and the type of report you need, such as a capital gains report. After selecting your preferences, simply click to generate and download the report, which will provide a summary of your transactions. If you prefer to use your own spreadsheets or a different tax calculator, exporting your raw transaction data is straightforward. Go to your wallet and then transaction history. You can set a custom date range to cover your entire tax period. Once selected, download the data as a CSV file. This file contains all your trades, deposits, and withdrawals, offering a comprehensive record. Finally, for a more automated approach, consider using third-party crypto tax software. Platforms like CoinLedger or Coinly can connect directly to your Binance account using API keys. This allows them to automatically import all your transaction data, calculate your capital gains and losses, and generate a complete tax report. It's a convenient way to ensure accuracy and save time during tax season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.